we're back on rain. 250 like usual, and click on deposit. Use code RustGang. 5% deposit bonus, free case for you. Click apply. Maybe 7 days. And it's the last few days of the leaderboard, guys. So make sure you join up, enter while you can.
Oh.
So yeah, man, enter when you can, and this is the standing right now, as you see on screen. So join up, join up. Alright, what are we feeling here? Rain spin mode off, JP. Let's see, just do this whole row here. Okay, here we go.
Come on.
Let's close this off. Oh, ooh. Ho. That's not good. If that hit.
Nothing on our side.
Okay. Standard mode. Come on, just hit. I just want hits, sir. Okay, wait, how much is that?
Wait, that's...
Okay.
It just glided in from nowhere.
Yeah. And more hits? Okay. Okay, I thought that was a little bit more. Slaughterhouse? Nothing. Zen case? Are we gonna feel Zen after this? No. It's actually gonna be still stealable.
Oh.
Go on, land in a nice glove. Okay. Come on. Let's start off really great this video.
Yes, sir.
Boom. Perfect. There we go. Boom.
Whoa.
Oh. Swing this. Crazy mode. Free. Oh. Double hit.
Nice.
So yeah, join while you can, guys, on the leaderboard. There's not many people entered, so you may be able to snipe it if you want. So, oh, it's no. Oh, that's actually really bad.
Oh, there's no JP.
No, that's really bad.
The fuck was over.
Yeah. So they gotta hit like crazy.
They gotta get like 3 range things.
Yeah.
Right now.
Compass. If Compass hits, it's possible.
Yeah.
If it hits for them, not for us, man. Okay, it's over.
It's over.
It's over. What are they gonna hit? Okay. Maybe if they hit the M4, maybe. I don't think there's much to believe in, man. Okay,
Oh.
man.
Look now when they get the...
Ooh, yeah. It's over. It's so over.
It's a Karambit. For fuck's sake.
Nice. Let's just keep hitting, honestly. At this point.
Let's give them more money.
Yeah. yeah. Stop.
Yeah.
Okay, no. Yeah, we wanted to give it to them anyways, you know?
Yeah.
We are like Drake.
Gang, we're friendly.
Oh, yeah.
Oh my god.
Okay, man.
What's the top item in here? Hey, look. Nice.
It wasn't enough. Oh, that paid. Here we go. Big battle. Pop a bless, you know what I mean? Pop a damn bless. Okay, not off to a great start.
No.
That's a great start.
Yes,
Ultimate start. Wow.
Okay.
Look at that ticket, man.
Nice. Ticket spinner.
If they hit on fidget spinner now, would have been over.
Crazy.
And That I don't know what anymore. Come on. Oh no, 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 that's a lot. Oh my god, no way, man.
God. It's not over.
Not really. If we just get triple hits here instead of them, no, they also hit triple hit. How close is it? I don't even know.
50.
Oh my god, stop! Oh no, they hit two. Wow. Let's count. Yeah. Alright, well, here we go. Wow, man.
Damn.
That sucks.
Okay, interesting.
Triple knife? Come on. No, not for them, man.
Oh, fuck.
Oh my god. It's Jover. It's Jover. It's Jover.
It's really hard to come back from.
Unless we get a nice fidget toy.
Oh, it was one there.
Yeah.
Construction site.
Nah. Okay. It's almost impossible.
Come on.
No way. No way they hit that.
What?
It's impossible in the last case. There's no way.
No,
There's no
slaughter.
way.
Stop.
Alright, here we go. Bro. This is gonna go so quick.
I know. Everything on.
Oh my god, this is so degen. Oh my god, this is so degen. Oh my god, this is so degen, bro. Oh no, no, don't laugh. Bro, no, don't laugh.
I know.
Oh my god.
Because that was.
Crazy mode freeway, hold up. Oh, 16 cases. In the meantime, let's see if we can hit a nice juicy uppy.
Happy.
Wait.
Upper decker.
Oh. Oh no. Let's start it. No, did it? Didn't. And let's wait. Come on.
Come on.
If we start off with, I was about to say, if we start off with a hit, I'm gonna literally end the video.
Nice.
Well, if just nothing hits, we win, but it's $3.
Yeah. Okay, go down. If it went down for them, good, but this is fine. This is fine. We can live with this. This be a goal. Oh my god. Oh my. No way that went down.
How did I glide? so-
What? I thought it was gonna like. I thought it was way closer to the thing. What? Dude.
What?
Fuss.
The clock gotta be more, right? Yeah.
Bro. Can Cyril hit?
Just a little bit.
Just a little bit. Just a little bit. Oh my god, that's a lot.
my
That's
God.
so much.
Let's go, okay.
Shit.
Please. Please, Cyril, come on. Okay. Good, good, good,
Yes.
good. Okay.
Oh, perfect.
And we stay off of it. We stay off of it. Okay!
Nice.
Okay, bro!
Alright, this is looking pretty guaranteed now.
This is... Oh, nah, I mean, if they...
Ah.
Unless they hit, like, the worst item or something. Come on, gold border. Oh my god, that's the best, I mean.
130, right?
It's not the best, but that's still really
I
good.
thought it was more.
Okay, never mind.
I'll go down.
Everyone besides me, slide them in, bro. Slide them in.
Guaranteed, I'm calling it. Calling it right now, 250 winners at the end.
Munners,
Yep. Schmeckles.
Schmeckleton City. Oh my god.
It can be over in one case.
Yeah.
Yeah, but it's not gonna happen.
Alright, I believe in you, man.
Guaranteed.
And if it does happen, then I'm gonna take your house. How's that sound?
If you take my house, I'm gonna take your YouTube account.
Oh, hell no.
No.
Oh,
Almost
hey.
finished.
Not the Rust gang. Rah. Next video. Hey guys, it's Big Lou here. Okay,
We're gonna start
secured.
from 3 cents.
Secured. Oh my god. Wait. I was about to say. Alright, one big battle. Come on.
Should
Last battle.
expire, man.
Last battle, boys.
You don't need to start with a lot to get a lot.
God of the day.
Yeah. That's the one we needed.
Yep.
Nah, really? That can be deep. That can have a deeper meaning.
It is deep.
Mhm.
Okay.
Nice. Let's go.
Come on here. Nice, hit here. Okay, nothing.
Pick up and give us.
Oh my god, 3D Max! Oh my god, that
Oh my
3D
God, I
Max
didn't
was so
realize.
close.
How much is that? Oh, 4K.
No, that was not that one. Wait, it could have been. Or was it this one? I don't even know which one it was.
I don't even know it.
I don't know which 3D Max one passed.
Yeah.
Which one was? I don't even know anymore. Okay, Feedington.
Could have been a 4K.
Okay. There were
Nice.
brakes applied on that. Oh my god. Let's make some bread though. Come on, nice hits somewhere.
Oh. Let's go.
Come on, hits. The good hits here. Come on. No.
Oh.
It needs to start paying though. Like.
Give us a knife. Give us a knife. Give us a knife.
Oh,
Right there.
oh my god, right between both. Come on. No way. Okay, that's us. Alright, we gotta rerun that. Honestly. Here we go. No rain spin.
Let's win $2 million.
Yeah. Dollars.
Come on.
Okay.
Okay.
Next spray, massive hit.
Really?
Yep.
Really? Yeah. Nice, buddy.
Nice pass.
No, I was talking about this one.
This
Ah.
one. Oh.
Ah.
Now I understand. I understand. Oh, and you meant next
Yeah.
one or what? The one after that?
Yeah, I
Crown
meant the
foil,
one
right?
after that.
Yeah.
I actually meant the
Oh.
green one.
No,
I
the
mean
green one?
I mean the Igloo one. They're gonna be the Igloo
So the
one.
green one? Okay.
That green one, 100% is not gonna hit.
Yeah, but oh yeah, you were
It's actually
colorblind.
gonna
It's gonna
be-
be the white one. You know what I mean?
No,
Yeah.
it's igloo, 100%.
It's the
no,
blue
it's just
one.
copying me.
100% igloo. Easy. And
Me.
I said it first.
No, it's
Mill said
Cheddar
that
Bob.
shit. I never said igloo.
It's Cheddar Bob
gonna-
that shoots itself in his own leg with his
It-
own
it's
gun.
gonna be
Oh,
back.
here we go.
It's gonna be vac case. Vac case is gonna have a
But
quick
what
knife.
did you guys just miss the lore knife?
Yeah, but it's just small. It's like fucking a penny, you know?
Bro, shut your ass off. Yes.
No. Easy.
Yeah, nice one, bro.
Nice. Fuck. I meant the next one. They look so much the same.
Oh my god, triple hit. That's actually really good.
Exactly.
Okay.
Okay, come on. Vulcan.
Oh my god, no, that's so
What is
much.
that?
Come on,
Oh,
come on. That's us.
Yippee!
Oh, let's go, bro.
Yeah.
Alright,
I actually meant this was gonna hit, like at the end.
Oh, yeah.
oh, one more? One big case?
One more.
One big case.
case.
One big case.
One big case.
Wait, we're back to starting now.
Yeah, that's what I mean. That's why I need to pop off here. Here we go. Donut. Please. I'm back.
And we'll laugh.
How would I?
Rerun it. Rerun.
Donut.
Nah, look at this score. Everything, bro.
Everything.
Oh, that's what I
Four
love
way.
to hear that, man.
No, not on the 4-way.
Ooh.
Come on, this is. We're gonna make history right here.
Yeah.
Hopefully.
Guys, subscribe right now.
You guys gotta subscribe ASAP. ASAP. Okay, we're on a 17-minute record. Wow.
Wow.
Oh my god. Ooh!
No!
It's
Oh my
crazy
God.
mode though,
Wait.
but
Holy
it's
No.
gonna be insane. We just need him not to hit. Me, I
Yeah.
mean. Him, me.
Him, me, them.
Oh my god. Oh no. Just don't give me anything. Just don't give me anything. Don't give me anything. Don't give me anything. Oh my god, dude,
Oh my
what is
God,
going on?
What?
No, it's a pink, and there was a lightning strike.
Lightning strike.
Well, still good though, come on. Just let me hit nothing. Oh my god, wait!
Oh.
Emil, no, wait!
Oh my God.
Wait, wait,
Oh my
wait!
God. Wait, this
Wait.
is cook. This is cooking.
Wait, wait, wait! No! Oh, it's still really good though, come on, please.
Oh my God. Please.
Just
68.
nothing for me. Oh my god, yes!
Hit nothing.
That's easy!
Oh,
No way we lose this, come
Oh
on.
no. No, we're gonna.
75.
Oh!
Oh, baby.
Let's go, we gotta end it there, we gotta
That's
end it there,
all
we
in
gotta
all
end it
time.
there, we gotta end it there, we gotta end
This
it
is
there.
where you
What do
go
you-
all in.
Okay, what we
This is
taking
where you
out?
go all in.
What are we taking out? What are we taking out? What are we taking
Where
out?
to get out? It's
You know
so
what?
close.
Stat Trek AK Vulcan field tested. Honestly, that's a perfect one. All right, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.
See you
Don't
guys.
forget to join the leaderboard, man. Peace.